This I want to do for sure, and I promised myself that I would do it. It's important to make promises to yourself. It is hardest to break those. I want to make an art out of living and make a living making art. One thing's for sure, we all need confidence. We at least need courage. Courage is your ability to show up in your own time of need. Whether you're afraid or not, you do that shit anyway. It's not necessarily confidence, but it can turn into it once you overcome what needs to be overcome. But that takes courage. I love courage. I did not love Courage the Cowardly Dog.
You're not perfect.
What a freaky show. But I kind of grew to love that as well. Because, I mean, think about it. Courage the Cowardly Dog was really defining what courage truly is. He was doing what he needed to fucking do, no matter how fucking scared he was. And I'm telling you, dog, he was terrified. Every fucking moment of his life, man, he would have 2 to 3 strokes and 4 to 6 heart attacks. I'm talking myocardial infarctions per episode. On top of that, Eustace was calling him a stupid fucking dog, no matter how much he was trying to keep them motherfuckers alive. Teaching us in the most bizarre way what courage really is. Using a dog who's scared of every fucking thing. Here I am thinking that he was the biggest pussy in the universe. Just the biggest chicken shit you'd ever seen. But I'm not so sure that he was a coward. If anything, Courage the Cowardly Dog was nothing short of the most courageous thing that I can remember. Now that I look back with the eyes that I have now that I understand what courage truly is. Wow. I sound like Owen Wilson. Wow. But for real, man. Yo, them episodes was horrifying. Ain't no fucking way. You kidding me? He did what he had to do anyways. He always had to save the old lady and the old man at that homestead in the middle of fucking nowhere. Hell's Paradise. Every episode, bruh. He was screaming his head off, bruh. But he did what he had to fucking do anyways. Because guess what? It wasn't just about him. It was beyond him. His why was way bigger than him. And he rose to the occasion every motherfucking time. I don't know how I got on this topic of Courage the Cowardly Dog and courage, but sounds and seems pertinent to me per what we've been discussing. So, with that being said, I bid you adieu. For now. I said what I said. I am Travanti and I approve this message. Kung Fu. Hoyt.